Hello, what's up, people? Welcome back to Twisted Flavors. Being it a jackfruit season, I just wanted to share few of the recipes what we can do with a jackfruit. Today we'll see what to do and how to do a jackfruit seeds vada. Yes, you have heard correctly. I'm using the seeds here. Basically, jackfruit seeds are very hard to cook, so we'll be boiling them in a pressure cooker for 6 to 7 whistles. So here I've taken a medium-sized jackfruit and half of the seeds I'm using here. So once they are cooked, we have to remove the white skin from them, so that after peeling them, this is how they're gonna look. And we have to blend them into a fine powder, and we shouldn't add a single drop of water into it. And for the vada, we'll see what all ingredients we need. We need jeera, onion, ginger, chilies, and curry leaves along with the somp, and also the besan powder. And we'll be chopping the onions, and we'll be grinding the chilies and ginger, everything together. So into the blended powder, we'll be adding our chopped onions. And next, ginger, chilies and curry leaves paste along with that somp, and we have to mix it. Now add little by little besan and make sure you will bind everything together. We are using besan just for binding it. And also add salt and mix everything together. Everything should be well combined and it should form a dough kind of consistency, which I will show you in the later process. Once keep on mixing it because it takes time to combine, and also I have lots of quantity. If you want to use less quantity, it takes less time for you guys because I'm using like half the amount of whole jackfruit seeds here. It takes time for me. I'm just bored of the same regular vada, so I just wanted to try something new and healthier. So I came up with this recipe using a seed, and there's no urd dal in or any other flour, and it's very healthy. If you can see the dough here, it's a bit dry, so we have to add water little by little. Here I have used around a quarter cup or half cup. It's between the quantity. So once we added the water, we have to get the consistency just as our vada or the garelu, what we say. This is how the consistency should be. It shouldn't be too runny or too dry. So once we form our consistency in a kadai, take oil for deep fry, and in the meanwhile we have to press our dough to form the vada. Here I'm using a plastic sheet so that it doesn't get stick to the plate or the surface on which I am pressing. We have to fry the vada till golden brown. And our vada is ready to have it with some ketchup or coriander chutney or whatever you like, but I prefer tomato ketchup here. It tastes so delicious and heavenly. You have to try it definitely. Don't forget to try. Like, share and subscribe to my channel, and follow me on Instagram for more such recipes. Bye bye.